KidsVision TV.
Hello everyone, today I am drawing a house from shapes.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock.
Let's draw with me.
The mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
First I am drawing a house.
Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck 2.
Now I am drawing a tree.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
I am drawing a sun, a cute sun. Let's draw a door.
The dog barked at the clock.
Let's draw a window. Dark green color, red color, yellow color, orange color, sky color, pink color, blue, brown color. I am coloring in tree, green color.
Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck 5. She went to her hive. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck 6. Oh fiddle-sticks. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock.
Now I am coloring it down with brown color.
Hickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock.
I am coloring in moon, yellow color.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1. The mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Orange color, I am coloring in circle.
Hickory dickory dock, the bird
I am
looked at
coloring
the
in
clock.
triangle, orange color.
Away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
I am coloring in door, light blue color.
Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck 3. Fiddly-dee. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
I am coloring yellow color in house.
Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock. The clock struck 4. He ran out the door.
Let's color with me.
Hickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck 5. She went to her hive. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck 6. Oh fiddle-sticks. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
I am coloring its top with light blue color.
Tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse
Dark
ran
blue
up
color.
the clock. The clock struck 1. The mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck 2. Away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Red color.